Okay guys, I would like to share with you one simple idea on how to promote affiliate links and make money with uthena website. For those who do not know this website, it's an educational platform where people can buy courses, and you have great opportunity to make money with that platform. As you can see, I have also my courses listed here. So what we can do, so there are different ways how you can make money with uthena. If you are an instructor, you can upload your courses to this website and get more students, more enrollments to your courses. So it's like additional source for you, additional source of traffic for you, where you can get students to enroll in your courses. But if you are not an instructor, you can join their website, go to affiliate section. So for example, we would like to select this course. Let me show you. So here, as you can see, it's affiliate section. Here is course name and generated link, your affiliate link. So what we can do now, so for example, I have selected this this course, and here we can see Joy Paris. Let's search in Google, and we can see competition 0, cost per click also low, but it got searched because it's popular instructor. What we can see, yeah, it's popular instructor, and he got many courses listed on Udemy platform, and he got tons of students. So what we can do now is, so this guy also listed here's his courses on uthena website. Let's check it out. Here's how it looks like. So a lot of courses, and we can and you can see it's a course bundle, so people can buy can buy this bundle and get all future courses for free, and all current courses you can watch as well. So what we can do now is we can use this affiliate link, and now we will generate, we will need to send traffic to this website, to your affiliate link. So I simply go to Google Ads. You can create an account there, click on add new campaign, click on website traffic, search type. Okay, so let's create new campaign now. All countries, territories, budget $10, delivery method, conversion clicks. Let's set maximum cost per click like 5 cents. As we see, there is no competition, so maximum what we can spend is 5 cents, but if there is no competition, we probably will spend less. So, okay, let's click on save and continue, and here we will type keyword. So we will use, so if somebody will search Joy Paris courses, or simply Google his name, our ad will be displayed. So let's click on save and continue. Final link we will add our affiliate link. So here it is. Now let's type here eye-catching headlines. So copy this. Now, so I'll type something like Joy Paris all course bundle. Today at discount price. Can type something like watch future courses for free. And yes, let's type some description. So here is how your ad will be looks like, and if somebody will click, they will click on your affiliate link. So this is the way how you can add all courses from uthena to Google Ads like this, and start generating great income without spending too much, without spending your budget. So as you can see, there are tons of courses what you can add like this. It's just idea how you can promote uthena and make some money by promoting affiliate links. As you can see, you do not need even website. It's like direct marketing. And this platform is new, so I think nobody are doing this. So you can, if you start doing like this, you can make quick cash. As well, if somebody will join your uthena, if you will attract instructor by using this link, you'll get 20 bucks advances. So you will receive 20 bucks, and by if you want attract instructor to uthena, so you can simply use affiliate link, go to platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, other platforms, contact instructors, and give them idea to publish courses on uthena. So this is how you can simply earn money with uthena. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Make sure to check links what I'll put in the description, and like and subscribe to my channel.